The universe as a whole, from its smallest particles to its most vast galaxies, and up to the existence of space, time, and life itself. But how did it all begin? The origin of the universe is the origin of everything. Many scientific theories and legends from all corners of the globe have attempted to rationalize its mysterious origins. However, the most widely accepted explanation is the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory suggests that the universe was born from a hot and infinitely dense point, similar to a supercharged black hole, around 13.7 billion years ago. This tiny point violently exploded, giving birth to matter, energy, space, and time. The universe then evolved through two major stages, the radiation era and the matter era. These eras are defined by critical periods that contributed to shaping our universe. The first stage, the radiation era, is named after the abundance of radiation emanating from the Big Bang. This era is further divided into several stages that occurred during the universe's first few tens of thousands of years. The first stage of the radiation era is called the era of plants. Matter was not yet present in the universe during this period, only energy existed. The ancestor of the four fundamental forces of nature, the superforce, existed at the end of this period. A crucial event occurred during which gravity separated from the superforce. Next came the era of grand unification, named after the three remaining fundamental forces of nature, which were unified. This era ended when one of these forces, the strong force, separated from the rest. The era of cosmic inflation followed, during which the universe underwent rapid expansion, growing from the size of an atom to that of a grapefruit. The universe was then scorching hot and consisted of electrons, quarks, and other particles. The electroweak era followed, during which the two remaining fundamental forces, electromagnetism and the weak interaction, separated. During the next stage, the quark era, all the ingredients that make up our universe were present. However, the universe was still too hot and dense for subatomic particles to form. It wasn't until the universe had cooled enough that quarks could combine to form protons and neutrons. During the nuclear era, protons and neutrons underwent a significant change as they fused into nuclei, creating the first chemical element in the universe, helium. This new capability of the universe created elements that are the basis of all matter, leading to the matter era. As its name suggests, the matter era is defined by the appearance of matter in the universe. It consists of three epochs that span billions of years, making up most of the universe's existence up to the present day. The first period was the atomic era. During this stage, the temperature in the universe was cool enough to allow electrons to attach to nuclei. This process, called recombination, enabled the creation of the second element in the universe, hydrogen. This hydrogen, combined with helium atoms, filled the universe with atomic clouds. Within these clouds, small pockets of gas were able to collect atoms with sufficient gravity. These clumps of atoms formed during the galactic era became the basis of our galaxy. Nested at the heart of these galaxies, stars began to form, marking the beginning of the final stage of our universe's development, the stellar era. The formation of stars shaped the universe as we know it today, thanks to the heat from the stars. Helium and hydrogen converted to create the rest of the elements that make up our universe. In turn, these elements formed planets, moons, life, and everything we know today. This ecosystem, this whole, exists only because of the stages that followed one another during the universe's development. While countless questions about its origins persist, it's only a matter of time before their answers reach us.